Tenzin when we were doing a master's degree in San Francisco, in the University of San Francisco, and he invited me to join his club, Friends of Tibet. And I can say he's a great friend, he's a great person, and probably one of the most greatest things that Tenzin has is that he's always looking for the best for his people. So I'm pretty sure that he's going to be a great candidate for the parliament, for the Tibetan parliament, and he's always going to look for justice for his people.
The people of Tibet should vote for Tenzin because he will make a great leader. He has a positive, charismatic attitude that points people on the right direction. He thinks ahead of the future whenever he makes a plan. For example, he was the first one to set up the Tibet Club at USF, where he worked so hard to create an organization in the city of San Francisco. He thinks of all the possibilities to let the students be acknowledged of the current problems, history, and the culture of Tibet. He targets students like me who was so naive and unaware of the Tibet culture. I was a stranger and he never gave up on me. Because of him, I'm culturally aware of the Tibet culture, and this is the reason why I would vote for Tenzin, because he has a lot of dedication and perseverance, and I have no doubt that he would do the same thing for his people in Tibet.
And I am a friend of Tenzin. We met each other on a Student of Color forum. We got connected by talking about Tibetan culture as well as Chinese culture. I think Tenzin is a very goal-driven person. He started the Tibetan Student Club on campus, and I think he's also very good at starting his own initiatives and also starting conversation on different issues. I think you should vote for Tenzin. I would support him. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Florencia Lopez. I am a doctor from Mexico City. I met Tenzin last year when he was ending his master in environmental management. In there he created a group called Friends of Tibet. I think Tenzin is a great leader. He really encourages you to help people, to be kind with nature, with everyone. But I think the thing I like most about Tenzin is he's a great human being. I think he's going to be great in whatever he proposes. He really wants a change to the world.
name's John Calloway, and I'm the coordinator of the Environmental Management Graduate Program here at USF. I met Tenzin when he was a student here at USF. He started a couple years ago, and he came here from India with support from the Tibet Foundation. I served as his advisor and supporter while he was here, as well as teaching him in classes. In class, he was a great student. Outside of class, I was always amazed at how motivated Tenzin was to educate his fellow students, myself and others, all about Tibet and about the traditions of Tibet. And he started a Tibet club here on campus. It was really impressive in what he was able to achieve. He won an award from the International Students Group for his achievements as a graduate student. And besides that, he also learned a lot about waste reduction and waste management through the project that he did as a student here. And I know he was very excited to go home and to take what he'd learned here in the U.S. and bring it back to his country, bring it back to the community he's working with, and try to improve waste management there. And I know he also is very excited to run for the parliament and to really try to make a difference there, and I'm sure he'll be an outstanding candidate.